120 square meters yung lot area. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. So, pasok po tayo. This is the garage. Ready na po ang car park. Yan, this is the living room. Maluwag po siya. So, yung turnover po namin, ganyan. Complete finished po siya. And this is the kitchen, the CR. Ayan, pwede pa po kayo maglagay ng storage dito sa ilalim ng hagdan. Kaya po tayo, second floor. Ayan. This is the room 3. Ito naman po yung CR. Toilet and bath sa taas. This is the room 2. Ito po yung master's bedroom. May sarili siyang CR. Yan. May sarili po siyang toilet and bath. Wala. So, 3 toilet and bath po pala siya. Ito, may balcony. And then, may balcony. Yan. This is the community ng Casabuena. Yun lang bahay ni Tita Glo.